Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has officially launched its research competition for the 2023-2024 season, inviting participants to showcase their analytical prowess for a chance to secure prizes of up to 500,000 Jamaican dollars. To foster talent and innovation in the financial sector, the JSE is calling upon analysts, tertiary institution students, researchers, and media personnel to test their mettle in the world of market analysis and research. Over the years, the JSE Research Competition has served as a launchpad for individuals who have gone on to achieve notable career advancements, including promotions to managerial, vice presidential, and even CEO roles. Entries for the competition are expected to adhere to specific guidelines set by the stock exchange. All submissions must be received on or before the due date of April 12 to be considered for evaluation. Investment firm First Rock reported a 92% decrease in property income, totaling US $543,052 for 2023, compared to US $6.71 million in the corresponding period last year. Property loss for the first quarter closed at US $3.46 million, compared to property income of US $455,933 for the comparable quarter of 2022. As a result, net investment loss for the year ended December 31, 2023, amounted to US $2.01 million relative to net investment income of US $2.63 million in 2022. However, the company has consistently paid dividends up until last year, and the company remains confident that this negative trend will be reversed once interest rates begin to decline. First Rock is committed to continuing its portfolio rebalancing strategy by disposing of variable income and underperforming residential and commercial properties and acquiring fixed income commercial properties with strong tenants, such as KFC acquisitions in Costa Rica. During trading on March 6, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the technology, automobile distribution, and finance sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. T-Tech Limited shares advanced 24.5% for a 49-cent price increase to close at $2.49 with 50,000 shares traded. JetCon Corporation Limited shares advanced 15.29% for 13-cent price jump to close at 98 cents with 2,235 shares traded. Epley Limited shares advanced 15.03% for a $5.14 upward price shift to close at $39.34 with 100 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 6, 2024, the top three losers covered the energy and finance sectors. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Limited, JMD, declined by 21.73% for a $23.90 price drop to close at $86.10 with 25 shares traded. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited declined by 12.49% for a $1.36 downward shift in price to close at $9.53 with 15,413 shares traded. Sterling Investments Limited, JMD, shares declined by 11.76% for a 30-cent decline in price to close at $2.25 with 19,006 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, trading activity on the stock exchange for March 6, 2024 on the first tier market registered a volume of 213,794 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at Trinidad and Tobago $4,968,552.30. Massey Holdings was the volume leader with 89,822 shares changing hands for a value of Trinidad and Tobago $389,817.79, followed by Trinidad and Tobago NGL Limited with a volume of 24,530 shares being traded for a value of Trinidad and Tobago $220,770. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 6, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $0.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $17.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.70 and bought US dollars for $154.90. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.80, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 75 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.96 and bought for $115.21. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.42, selling it for $202.35 and buying it for $193.93. For the credit report tip of the day, when thinking about buying a vehicle, boost your chances of securing financing by offering a larger down payment. A substantial initial payment reduces the lender's risk and may make them more inclined to approve your loan despite your credit score. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.